one day at a time.
Lord, help me.
Come on.
Show me the way.
One day at a time. We all need him.
Lord, help me.
Come again. We all need him. Yes. Come on, rock out with me. 'Cause I'm only human. Yes, I'm just a woman. Lord, help me believe in all I could be and all that I am. Show me the stairway that I have to climb. Lord, for my sake, teach me to take one day at a time. One day at a time. Sweet Jesus, that's all I'm asking from you. Just give me the strength to do every day what I have to do. Yesterday's gone, sweet Jesus, and tomorrow may never be mine. Lord, help me today. Please show me the way, one day at a time. Yes, when you walk some mountain. Well, Jesus, you know, if you look down below, it's worse now and then. Cheating and stealing. Yes, violence and crime. Lord, for my sake, teach me to take one day at a time. Yes. One day at a time, sweet Jesus, that's all I'm asking from you. Just give me the strength to do every day what I have to do. Yesterday's gone, sweet Jesus, and tomorrow may never be mine. Lord, help me today. Please show me the way, one day at a time. Lord, help me today. Please show me the way, one day at a time. Lord, help me today. Oh, please show me the way, one day at a time.
Lord, help me today. Show me the way.
One day at a time. How y'all doing? Welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Happy Sunday. Welcome one and all. If you don't know, this is,
I'm Chocolate.
and I'm Vanilla. To all the newcomers, welcome.
Welcome if it's your first time watching us. Welcome. How are you guys?
Happy Sunday one
Happy
and all.
Sunday.
Hope you all had a blessed day.
Hope you guys had a wonderful day today. Good night. Good day. Wherever you're watching us from, right?
That's right.
Yes, so today Usually on Sundays, we come out here, we play our favorite gospel songs, and we do like a game to give away credits, right? So that's what we're out here to do tonight. Yes, worship in our own little way. Yes, He accepts it, no matter how big or how small it is.
Yeah.
And most importantly, we're doing it for God. Yes, you know, so many times we come out here and we do all types of things. I figure I can give a night to the Lord, yes, just by playing some inspiring gospel songs. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy and rock out with us. All right?
That's right.
Yes, yes. And we keep it positive over here. Happy Sunday. We're going to beat you guys up. Yes? We just want to rock out right now. But we'll get into bigging you all up, right? And we have a game that we're going to play. And it's all about the Bible tonight. Yes.
We have the
So
St.
get-
James Version. We have the St. James Version.
So get your sword. Yes?
Oh, sorry, King James.
It's the King James
Yes.
Version.
Not St.
So
James.
get your sword tonight.
Yes.
Because we're going to get you familiarized with the Bible if you aren't already familiarized with the Bible. All right? Yes, man. So let's go. All right. I did put a song in. Let's do this. Pull up for surrender now. I give you everything, Lord. Your goodness is running after me. Oh yes, it's running after me. Your goodness is running after me. Oh, it's running after me. Your goodness is running after me. Oh, it's running after me. And all my life you have been faithful. And all my life you have been so good. Every breath that I am able, I will sing of the goodness of God. In all my life you have been faithful. In all my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. Oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. Yes, always gonna sing of His goodness.
Absolutely.
Because He has been so good to me, and I'm sure He has been good to you. That's why you're able to watch us tonight. Yes, He woke you up this morning. Yes, and you're in your right mind. Yes, He kept you going, right? My God is truly amazing. Can I tell you? Yes. Can I tell you how amazing He is? So, let's go. We still gonna rock out and rock out and rock out. Just hang with me while I get these together. Because I have to be careful of the songs I play. Because
My tomorrow must be greater than today.
Yes.
His hand cannot show that it cannot reach to you. His eyes can never blind. He cannot see your tears. His ears have no days that he cannot hear you cry. Your tomorrow must be greater than today. Your tomorrow must be greater than today.
Rock out.
Tomorrow comes my way.
One thing I know. My tomorrow must be greater than today. Yes. No matter what I see.
Nothing can move me. So one thing I know. Thank you, Jesus.
My tomorrow must be greater than today. My tomorrow must be greater than today. One thing I know.
Tomorrow.
One thing I know.
One thing I know. You have your Bible. Make sure you have your Bible. Yes.
I just know one thing that is.
And tomorrow must be greater than today.
When the
Jesus, you love me too much. Oh.
You love me too much, oh, too much, your excess love, oh.
Jesus, you love me too much.
Yes,
Your love
is kind. Your love is patient. You fill my heart, yes, with so much peace and joy. You're amazing. You make my life feel brand new. You're amazing. Monica, Randall,
my life.
good night. Diane, how are you?
Jesus,
You love me too much. You love me too much. Oh, too much. Your excess love. Oh. Jesus, you love me too much. You love me too much. Oh, too much. Your excess love. Oh. You love me too much. Oh, too much. Your excess love. Oh. You love me too much, oh, too much, your excess love, oh. Your love is Maxine Thomas, Paula, how you doing? Gracia, Gillette, Davis, how you doing? My heart, ooh, with so much peace. Oh, you're amazing, you're amazing, you're amazing. Can I tell you how amazing you are? Feel brand new. Oh, all those promises are yes. You're not a man, you never lie. Nation of the night. Too much, you love me too much, oh, too much, your excess love, oh. Anisha, you love me too much, you love me too much, oh, too much, your excess love, oh. I can't play that too long. Facebook will block me. Alright, so me have to play it a little and then yes, I was so empty. I needed someone who could take away this emptiness inside. I turn away when friends would tell me I should come to you and surrender all my life. Sing it with me, man.
life was reckless
Yes.
till I obeyed them
And find a church that I could go to set me free. Alright, it was at the altar. John Wilson, good evening.
I felt the burden slowly lifted off my life. My life was lost without you. Every time I think I'm better are the words. Oh, dear Jesus, I need your help, Lord. Don't you ever turn away and let me fall. All I have is only you, Lord.
We need him, right?
And the friends I look to
Always let me down. I remember you promised to never leave me. Y'all ready?
I'm depending on you, Lord, to hear my call.
Come on. Lord, I love you. Lord, I need you. Lord, I need you in the middle of the night. I was lost without you, but you never leave me. You're the one to fix the things of my life.
Sometimes I cry for your help
Come on.
when I have
Temptations
hovering at my door. Oh, I wonder where are you, Lord, when the
Good night, Marlene Levy.
oh my
Susan Pilgrim. Now I see
Lord,
a act of victory.
I
Overcome because you came to rescue me. All I needed
was to call you, and you came to
to set me free.
Oh,
Oh Lord, I love you. Lord, I need you.
yes.
Tell him I need you in the middle of the night. Tell him you're lost without him. Yes, but you never. You're the one to fix the things that oh yes. Lord, I love you. Yes. Yeah. Leave me. Oh, you're the one to fix the things of my life. Lord, I love you. I need you. I need you in the middle of the night. Tell him I was lost without you. We're almost there. We're gonna get into our Bible game. Yes. And I'm paying attention to people on the live because God knows you're not just gonna come over here and try to win some credits. I am gonna take calls from the people on the live. I am watching the name. Yes. Oh my blind. It's so many supporters. Latoya Williams, pick up yourself. Rose Green. Even if it's the same people that win every Sunday, that's what's gonna happen. Yes. Because you know what? He lives. I tell you, he lives. Yes, he lives within my heart. Yes. I need to put up the list to see who's active on the live. Because you ain't no use over here. Not because I love the Lord. This is for my supporters, my blinded eyes, and set me on Let's go. Yes. Don't try to tell me God is dead. He woke me up this morning. Don't try to tell me he's not alive. He lives within my heart. He opened up my blinded eyes and set me on my way. Don't try to tell me God is dead. I just talked to him today. He lives, he lives, he lives, he lives, he lives within my heart. You may ask me how, I know he lives down deep in my soul. He opened up my blinded eyes and set me on my way. Don't try to tell me my God is dead. I just talked to him today. Yes. Alright. Don't try to tell me God is dead. He woke me up this morning. Don't try to tell me. Susan Pilgrim, get your Bible ready and call me. I want you to read for me Proverbs 7 verse 1. Hey, and set me on my way. Don't try to tell me God is dead. I just talked to him today. Susan Pilgrim, he lives, he lives. Proverbs 7 verse 1, he's alive. Yes, he rose up too, and he rose up triumphantly. He opened up all those prison bars and set the captive free. Don't try to tell me my God is dead. I just talked to him today. Oh, I just talked to him. Gracia, if you could find, oh, here we go, she's calling. Hey, I just talked to him. I just talked to him. Good night. Hello, good night. Is this Susan Pilgrim? Hi. You ready?
Yeah, Proverbs 7 verse 1, sorry.
All right.
My son, keep my words and store upon my commandments within you.
Thank you very much. Send me your name.
Who is it?
Send me the phone service, Susan Pilgrim.
This is Susan?
Alright, thank you.
Is this Susan?
Hello?
Hello, is this Susan Pilgrim? Hello?
No, this is not Susan.
Susan was the one who was supposed to call. All right? Yes. Susan, call. I mean, no joke tonight. From the live, we go with the supporters, and I know them. All right? Yes. Even if it's 5 of y'all leave over here tonight, we will shower you with the credits. This is not a place to come just for credits. Like I said, we're out here to gain nothing more than to give love and to entertain. And I'm going to show you how serious I am tonight. So if you all want to unsubscribe, leave me with my real supporters. They're the one we're giving the credits to tonight. Susan Pilgrim, yes, I know that's not you. And I'm marking your picture right now. Call me and read for me Proverbs 7, verse 1. Yes, let's go back. Yes. That wasn't Susan Pilgrim. I'm wearing on Susan Pilgrim. Or if Susan, if you are not where a Bible is, all right. Susan, no Susan. Susan, only if you call and read, then you can tell me who to give it to. You can't tell me who to give it to in the comments. Glacia, call me up with that same Bible verse, please, and thank you. We're moving on, Susan. All right? Okay. Oh, yes. In this waiting, I He opened up my blinded eyes and set me on my way. Don't try to tell me God is dead. I just talked to Him today. Hello, good night.
Good night, Queen.
All right, Glacia.
Yes, it is.
All right, yes, I know your picture. Go right ahead.
It's Proverbs 7 and verse 1.
Correct.
My son, keep my words and treasure my commands within.
Thank you so much. Send me your phone service. All right, Glacia, thank you. Appreciate it. All right.
Thank you, Queen.
You're welcome.
You're welcome, Queen.
You're welcome. Yes. I'm coming back. All right. Yes. All right, Gillette Davis. Call me up, Gillette, and read me Psalms 106, verse 6. Gillette Davis. Let's go. I'm pulling from the comments tonight. Yes. And I know my supporters. I can't do all of y'all. So I'm doing random, okay? I'm doing random tonight. Yes. Randomly, I'm going through. Yes. Yes. I wanna hear the story. Oh yes, I wanna hear the story. I really wanna hear the story of Him who died for me. I wanna hear the story. Yes, I wanna hear the story. I really wanna hear the story of Him who died for me. Tell me the story
Oh, Jesus, Jesus,
right on my heart. Every
word.
That's right. How do you want to hear the story?
Tell me the story, most precious, sweetest that ever was.
Yes. Wonderful, wonderful. Hello, good night. This is not Gillette. All right. Hello. See what I'm talking about, folks? You have folks that just sit.
This isn't Gillette either.
No, we're just taking calls from Gillette tonight.
We're looking for Gillette.
All right. That's not Gillette. That's what I'm talking about, kings and queens. You have people, you have folks that just comes when it is,
That's not
hold
July either.
on, so don't answer.
Sorry, I meant to decline.
So let me explain what's going on. You have folks that just comes on our platform to get credits. And they're robbing from people who actually supports us. Yes? When we give, they only watch us to see if we're giving away stuff. Right? And they're depriving our real supporters that comes on here, watches us, enjoy our contents. So I'm trying to cut that out. So I'm trying to go with who I see on the live. Right? Yes.
Week after
and
week.
Week after week.
Live
yes,
after live.
Live after live. Doesn't mean you gotta sit through all the live. There may be contents, we're not saying you should be planted, but why am I gonna take our stuff and give to people that doesn't really support us? That just wanna come over and get what they can get from us when we really have people who are loyal supporters of ours. Right? No. It's best for you not to watch and not to subscribe. Leave me with my little supporters and we will love on each other. And I will spoil them and you don't come. It's that simple because we're not here for views. We're not here to make money. If you haven't realized that by now, then you are super slow. You understand? You know what I'm saying? So.
Oh, that must be Gillette.
All right, Gillette. Yes, so I just want to give to the people that actually support us. That's all.
That's all.
Juliet name is calling.
Yes, I know your voice, Gillette. I know your voice, Gillette. Go right ahead.
Okay, so I'm ready.
Go for it.
6 verse 6. And it goes like this. We have sinned with our fathers. We have committed iniquity. We have done wickedly.
Thank you so much, my sister. All right, go right ahead, Queen, and send us your phone service. God bless you. Yes. And on top of that, my kings and queens, they want to get rude with us. If they happen to watch the live after we give away something, you have people that comes in our inbox and they want to disrespect us because we're trying to tell them we're not live anymore. You're not a winner. They try to come and say they've won when we clearly have done our games on a live. How are you want to come to our inbox and tell us that you have won something when we have the live that we can go back to? Now, not because we're nice, you're not going to think we're stupid, are you? So, no, we're not doing that. They try to come in, I could show you messages after messages to tell us that they've won underwears.
Or one other thing.
Yes,
Not just
or other
underwear.
thing.
Yeah.
I'm just speaking because
Yeah.
that's the last thing
Yeah, that
we
was
did.
the last thing we did. Yeah.
And we clearly have done it on the live.
Right.
Then they want to get fresh and act as though they put something down over here and we're holding it and they're here to collect it. We're not gonna do that. We're not gonna do that. I want to be good to my supporters. So if you know you're not a supporter of ours, nobody is trapping you over here to watch us. Because like I said, we never came out here for likes and views. We never came out here for Facebook or social media money. We would have been on here every day. You understand that? I'm making it clear tonight. Not because we're monetized, don't mean crap to us. We have a YouTube channel sitting over there. We don't even remember sometimes that it's there. You understand? No disrespect to our YouTube supporters.
That's right, none.
Yeah? Not me saying I'm better than anybody else. And that's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is I want to be good to the people who are good to us. That's it. That's all I'm saying. Yes. All right. Yeah. On top of that, they want to get disrespectful. That's what I'm telling you. Yeah, but they're not going to deter us from being good to our supporters because we know we have a lot of good supporters out here. That is what we know.
Yes.
All right?
We do.
Yes. So I'm not going to make a few or a bunch of bad apples spoil what we are out here trying to do. And that's give love. You understand? Yes. All right. Yes, sorry, it has to take place in the service, but I'm just tired of it. Yes.
Oh,
I'm
singing. Oh,
I'm
shouting.
all right, nation.
Morning when we all shall rise.
Nation.
22.
2 Samuel 22, verse 31. Nation Henry, give us a call.
What glory.
Yes. Hallelujah. When we meet our blessed Savior, redemption's coming. Hey!
Praise the Lord.
Oh, what a wonderful freedom. Yes, glory to His. I'm out of the bondage. Now I'm into the freedom. Redemption's coming. Praise the Lord. Redemption. Yes, Susan Pilgrim. We were good and will always be good. Yes, glory to His. I'm out of the bondage. Hey, now I'm into the freedom. Redemption's coming. Praise the Lord. Redemption's coming. Praise the Lord. Oh, what a wonderful freedom. Hey, glory to His. I'm out of the now I'm into the freedom. Redemption's coming. Praise the Lord. He lifted me up. Nation, where are you? Repeat. It is 2 Samuel 22, verse 31. All right? 2 Samuel 22, verse
31.
31. All right? Give you a little bit of time. Yes. Thank you for supporting us.
Oh,
What's singing? Oh,
what shouting.
on that happy morning. On that happy
morning when we all shall rise.
oh, what glory.
What glory.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. When
We meet our blessed Savior in the sky.
redemption's coming, praise the Lord. Oh, what a wonderful freedom.
Wonderful freedom.
Hey, glory to it. I'm out of the bondage. Now I'm into the freedom. Redemption's coming. Praise the Lord. Redemption's coming. Praise the Lord. Oh, what a wonderful freedom. Glory to His name. I'm out of the bondage. Now I'm into the freedom. Redemption's coming. Praise the Lord. Redemption's coming. Come on, nation. Oh, what a wonderful freedom. Good night. This is nation. Know that picture. Go ahead, nation.
Just a minute. 1 second.
Hurry up, nation. I've been waiting patiently.
Someone verse 21, you said?
Yes. Come on, nation. You're taking too long, hon. We have some more to go. You ready? You ready?
Yes.
Go for it.
His way is perfect. The Lord's word is flawless. His children all who take refuge in him.
Thank you so much, nation. Even though you had me waiting. All right. Text me your telephone service, nation. All right. You do the same, Queen. All right.
Okay.
Yes. We gotta go fast now. I'm gonna let me have this where I can find some easy one.
All right.
From the married way, he planted my feet on the rock to stand.
That is the reason why I'm singing and shout.
My Savior came down.
And he lifted me up.
He lifted me
up.
from the married way.
Planted my feet.
He planted my feet. Latoya Williams. All right, Latoya. Call us with Psalms 100, verse 1. Yes. And lifted me up. He lifted me up. We're going easy. Yes. He planted my feet. Latoya Williams on the rock to stand. And that is the reason why
I'm singing and shout.
my Savior came down and lifted me up. Stayed in the rock. In the shadow, I will abide. When the storms of life are raging over me, in the rock, I stayed in the rock. Oh, in the hello, hello, Queen Latoya.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night, good
Good
night.
night. Go right ahead, Queen.
Psalm 100, verse 1. Come to the Lord, all ye lands.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Queen. Go ahead and text us your phone service. It's like we're gonna get a storm.
You're welcome, Queen.
You're welcome. It's lightning and thundering outside, so that's why I was like, woo, because I could hear like the thunder. It was so loud. You heard that?
Yes, it's coming.
Oh.
We have a bad storm coming our way.
We have a storm coming
Yes.
our way. Yes, it's kind of scary. All right, let's see. We're going to do this real fast, folks, and try to get out of here. All right, let's go. Let's go. We're going to pick somebody randomly. Oh, boy. Now, if you happen to live where you don't need the credits, you can call and read the Bible verse, and then you can donate it to someone. Althea Barrett, how about you call me Althea? And we are going to go with Psalms 141, Psalms 141, verse 4. Let's go, Althea Barrett. You can always donate it. I will. Oh, when the storm Oh, in the shadow, I will abide. Oh, when the storms of life.
Hold on.
Hello, good night.
Psalms 141, verse 1.
4.
Verse 4, Althea.
Incline not my heart to any evil thing, to practice wicked works with men that work iniquity, and let me not eat of their dainties.
Thank you so much, Althea. Text us your telephone service, all right?
Congratulations, Queen.
Congrats. All right, yes. Here we go again. I'm doing this fast because I need to get out of here before the power goes out whenever we have like a terrible storm. You never know what can happen. So, all right. Anicia called me with Proverbs 15 verse 1. Anicia. Oh, in the rock. Say in the rock. Anicia. Proverbs 15 verse 1. In the shadow. I will abide. Oh, when the storms of life are raging over me, in the rock. Say in the rock, in the shadow, I will abide. Oh, when the storms of life are raging over me, in the rock, oh, when the storms of life are raging over me, in the rock, oh, when the storms of life are raging over me, in the rock. Hello, good night. Turn us down in the background, Anicia.
Why is not turned on? Hold on a minute, let me turn it up now.
Down, not up, down.
Turn down.
You said this, right?
Now, Queen,
Yes, go right ahead.
Sam answered, turn it away wrath, but grievous words stir up anger.
Thank you so much, Queen. You know the drill. Go ahead and send us your telephone service.
Thank you, Queen.
My pleasure.
Thank you.
You're
You're
welcome.
welcome. All right. Going fast. When the storms of the sun. How many more? Two more. Okay. Yes. Oh, say, I'm too near to my home. Too near to my heavenly home. I can't turn back. I go ahead and call me with Genesis 1 verse 1. I'm doing this easy. I there is nothing worthwhile to look around now. Praise the Lord, sweet heaven in view. I'm too near to my heavenly home to turn back now. Oh yes, I'm too near to I am too near to my heavenly home. I can't turn back again. I've made my choice. There is nothing worthwhile to look about. Praise the Lord, sweet I get. And verse 3, call me with Genesis 1, verse 1. Too near to my heavenly home. I can't turn back again. I've made my oh, there is nothing worthwhile to look about. Praise the Lord, sweet heavenly. I'm too near to my heavenly home. I'm too near to my home. I am too near to my heavenly home. Okay, go right ahead.
Genesis 1, verse 1.
Okay.
In the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth.
Perfect. That's exactly what he did. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ardette.
Ardette, go right ahead and text us the phone service, all right?
Okay, blessings to you.
Blessings. Yes. All right, kings and queens. How many more we have? One more. We got one more to go. And I have to be honest, I'm completely thrown off with the having to explain that you're in service, right? I can't be dishonest. I have to be honest and tell you that I'm so sorry that I had to bring this up during service, but I'm really tired of it. You know, every time we come on here and we try to do something nice with our supporters, you have folks that are going to watch this now and we're going to think that we are live, right? And they're going to send to us to say that they've won credits. They always do that every time we get off of here. And you know that we do it transparently on our live. Everybody that wants something on here, you guys know that we've always reached out to you. Right now we get off. If
That's
there's
the first
something,
thing we
that's
do.
the first thing we do. If we're not sure of something, we call our supporters. Now, it's very frustrating because what you do, you have these people that sits on the sideline and they call and they overwhelm the phone once they know we're over here giving away credits. And they're preventing people who actually supports us, that comes on and watches us, you know, not only when we have giveaways over here. So it's very annoying, if you understand what I'm saying. Yes? So, you know, I just got really fed up with that. And the last straw was when we did the underwear giveaway. You have folks that are going to tell us that they've won when we actually shook the bottle in front of y'all, pulled the names out of the bottle.
Yep.
You know what I mean? And I don't know what they're trying to do to us. They're trying to probably get us so frustrated that we just throw up our hands and say, we ain't gonna do this. But no, I won't do that, because I know that I have people that watches us, enjoy watching us, enjoy our contents, and who really and truly support us. So I'm just letting the people on the sideline know that we're not going to keep playing this type of game, because I'm one person. Let me look in the camera. I'm one person who isn't out here to benefit. I'm out here to give. To give, whether it's laughter, whether it's singing. It doesn't. Or I don't even have to include credits or anything like that.
Right.
You understand? Cheer up someone. Encourage someone.
Make somebody's day.
Support people that I really support. Understand? That's what it's all about. So don't take my niceness for granted. Yeah.
Not sorry. I'm not sorry.
Alright, we do that. Damn nice. So we kind of just cut the thing. Alright, Jesus.
My head's in low. No, I'm on the glory road. I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry.
Like I said, if you don't need the credits, you can always call and read the Bible verse and donate it to Alright. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Is it
Who am I
Barnes?
speaking to?
Alissa Barnes.
Uh-huh.
Is that who it is?
Alissa Barnes.
Alright, go right ahead.
St. Matthew 25, verse 4.
Verse 4, correct.
But the wise took oil in their vessel with their lamps.
Thank you very much. Go right ahead and send me your telephone service, alright? And thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Queen.
You're welcome. Alright. Yes. I'll revert back for a wonderful Sunday. Praise and worship. When we don't have any distraction like this. Yes. I apologize again, but I had to get it out. I cannot fake anything. And even if I try, I can't. Wherever I am, I'll praise Him whenever I can. I'll praise Him for His love surrounds me like the sea. I'll praise the name of Jesus. I lift up the name of Jesus. For the name of Jesus lifted me. Wherever I am, I'll praise Him whenever I can. I'll praise Him for His love surrounds me like the sea. I'll praise the name of Jesus. I lift up the name of Jesus. For the name of Jesus lifted me. Yes, kings and queens, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching us tonight. We'll be back either Wednesday or Thursday with our, our topic night or just a chit chat with you guys. That's what we're gonna start
That's
doing.
the one. That's not the one that called in.
I know, but you already said it was her.
I didn't know.
So, you asked me to pick it. So.
But I didn't know who called in.
She said Barnes, and when she said the first name,
I didn't know
okay.
there were two on there. So
Okay.
yeah, I didn't know.
That's fine. That's fine. All right. So that's what we're gonna start doing, our kings and queens. Whatever games we play, we're gonna pick from the comment section. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And I get a list. I can go in and get a list of supporters, see how many times you've watched us, break it down and all of that. Because I really want to enjoy my supporters and my supporters enjoy us. It's not about numbers for us over here. It's about love. It's about honesty. And it's about real connections over here and real support. That's what it's all about. Like I said, if it's 10, I'm okay. If it's 5, if it's 2, I'm okay. All right? So you all have a blessed night. Yeah, someone's calling. See who it is. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night. I'm calling to read Matthew 25.
All right, go right. What's your name?
Lillian,
Lillian what?
Franklin Small.
I'm sorry, we're going by the comment section, all right? And we already got someone to read that Bible verse, okay?
Okay.
All right. Yes, I'm gonna pull the list. We got a list, we got a breakdown, and that's what we're gonna do, because I'm not gonna let anybody deprive people who actually come here and support us for who we are. That's it. Bottom line, point blank. Hello, good night. Who am I speaking to? What is your name?
That's the one.
What is your name? Good night. What is your name? And that is the one you were supposed to call.
Yeah.
You know what? You don't even have to read. You are the person who's supposed to call. 2 bonds are in the comments, okay? Just text me your phone service. Alright? You're welcome. It was our mistake. Alright, guys? Yeah, that was our mistake. But that's what we're gonna do. Play with people who are actually supporters of ours. What's that now? Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Hello, good night. Hello, good night. Who am I speaking to?
Hello?
Hello? Yes, ma'am. Yes, this is chocolate and vanilla.
I'm Sharon Levy. Sharon Angela.
Okay, Sharon Angela Levy. How can I help you? Hello, ma'am. How can I help you? You're listening to us in the background. You gotta turn us down.
Hello, I'm Sharon Angela Levy.
Okay. And you're calling for? We already got someone to read it, ma'am. Alright? Okay. See, that's gonna go on and on all night, even when we get off. But, like I said, alright guys.
J&F Jamaican Cafe. J&F Jamaican Cafe, welcome. First time
Welcome,
watching.
J&F Jamaican Cafe. How you doing?
Welcome.
Patrice, good night. Yes. Alright guys. Antoinette, how are you? Yes. Marie Howard, how are you?
Howard.
Yes, guys. Cynthia
Cynthia Holder.
Holder. Good night, Queen. Yes. You're welcome, Natasha Lee Barnes. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. And there's nothing you can do about it, all right? We'll be back either Wednesday or Thursday. Have a wonderful, wonderful night. All right?
Have a blessed night,
Good
kings and
night.
queens. Take care of yourselves. Love you. Bye-bye.